Good morning students. Today I will go with the class 7th subject is maths. Dear students, as you already know, your first chapter is multiplication and division of integers. I already revised about integers and properties of integers. Already I explained to you properties of multiplication. Let us do exercise 1.1. It's very easy, you can do by yourself. First question is very easy. Find the product of, let us do, first part is 6 multiply by -4. You just do only multiply and take care of signs. Means 6 is positive and 14 is negative, so your answer will be negative. You will have to keep in your mind that positive integer multiply by positive integer is equal to positive. Means plus plus plus, minus minus plus, minus plus minus, and plus minus is equal to minus. Means positive integer multiply by positive integer, you will get the positive integer in answer, and negative integer multiply by negative integer, you will get the positive integer in your answer. By multiplying negative integer with positive integer, you will get the negative integer in your answer, and positive integer multiply by negative integer will gives you negative integer in your answer. I think it is clear to you. So here 14 6 are 84, then positive negative negative answer. Here you can do all the question. I think you have done this. Now question number 2, three numbers you have to multiply. 6 multiply by -4 multiply by 3. How will you multiply this? First of all, you can multiply these two number and answer will be multiplied to the third integer. Means it will follow a associative property. Means, you know, I already explained to you, a multiply b is multiply by c is equal to a multiply b multiply by c. Answer will be same. So here you will multiply this, 6 4s are 24, plus minus minus. Here no sign is there, you will consider it as a positive integer. Then multiply by 3, so this is negative integer, this is positive integer. Your answer will be minus plus minus, your answer will be negative. 24 multiply by 3, so 4 3s are 12, then 3 2s are 6 1 7, minus 72 will be the answer. But if you will have four integers like -10 multiply by -9 multiply by -8 multiply by -7, what you will do? First of all, you will multiply these two numbers, and answer will, you will collectively multiply. First of all, multiply these two number. So here minus minus plus, your answer will be positive, no need to write plus. 10 9s are 90. Then multiply these separately, minus minus plus, no need to write plus. 7 8s are 56. Now multiply these two, 56 multiply by 90, so 0 0. Then 9 6 are 54, 9 5s are 45, 45 plus 5 50, so 0 4 0 5. So your answer is 5040 answer. I think this is clear. Now you can do first question and second question. Third question is, it's very important. Use the distributive property to simplify and work out for the following. Distributive property I already explained to you. Like question is there, if 673 multiply by 272 minus 673 multiply by 72. So how you can do this? In these two terms, this 673 is common between these two terms, so we can write it one time. 673. So other numbers that are left you can write in a bracket. 272, the negative sign is there. If positive sign is there, then you will have to write here positive. Minus 72. So 673 multiply these two. When you will subtract it, you will get 200. So what you will do here, first of all you will multiply 673 with 2 only, and in the answer you will put these two zeros. So 673 multiplied by 2, 6, 14, then 3, 1, 3, 4, 6, these two zeros. So this is the answer. This is multiplication, distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. Why we are using these properties? To make your calculation very easy. So if you will multiply with 200, it will take some more time, but this is the shortest method. So first of all 673 with 2, and in the answer at the last you will add 2 zeros. I think this concept is clear to you. Then other part you can do by yourself. So in the second part here, minus 546 is common. So minus 546 is common. You can write minus 546 multiply what is left in the bracket. So minus 22 plus minus 78. So minus 546 multiply minus plus, you will add these two integers. After adding we will get 100, and both are negative, so our answer will be negative. This procedure you have to adopt during multiplication, but when you will add or subtract, you will adopt this method ki when both the numbers are negative, your answer will be negative. So multiplication here is very easy. This is negative, your answer will be positive. And 546 multiplied by 1 is 546, 2 zeros in the answer. I think this is clear to you. And question number 4, it's very easy. State the sign of product without actually multiplying. Means you will not multiply, you will just have to tell about the signs. So minus plus, then this minus plus, your answer will be positive. Here also minus plus, so your answer will be positive. Here minus plus, plus minus, its answer will be negative. So only here one negative sign is there, so your answer will be negative. Here two negative signs are there, so your answer will be positive. Here also positive, this is negative, this is positive. So one question I have done from this 6 question. Fill in the empty boxes with sign greater than, less than or equal. Let me do this example. First example is 6 plus 3 multiply by 11. 6 plus 3 multiply by 11. So here 6 plus 11 3s are 33. Here you will have to solve this bracket first. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 multiplied by 11. So 33 plus 6 is 39. This is 99. So this one is, first of all we have to see first number only. We will have to compare with the second number also. So 39 is less. So in the box you will put the negative sign. So Raje, one time I gave you this one assignment to solve also. In the second assignment I gave to you these questions to solve. I think you can solve easily now by looking these example I solved for you. First question you can do, its answer will be minus 1200. Second, you will multiply and just put the sign, negative sign. Then third answer will be positive, minus minus plus. So fourth answer will be minus 345. I think these all questions you can do by yourself. Try by yourself and do well at home. Thank you.